హలో గైస్, మీరు నన్ను ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, ఫేస్బుక్ అండ్ యూట్యూబ్లో కూడా ఫాలో చేయొచ్చు. లింక్స్ నేను కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో షేర్ చేస్తాను. వాటి ద్వారా మీరు నన్ను ఫాలో చేయొచ్చు. Today is my first day in Namchi, Sikkim. Now I'm going to see some places in Namchi. Here maximum all the places are tourist places or temples only. So I'm not that much excited to see those because temples in India, temples are common. Everywhere we can find some temples and it will have some history. So I'm not interested that much. And right side of me you can see Central Park. That is one more tourist site in Namchi. Later we can see because it's near me only. Sardab Choling Monastery is in first in my list. Now finally I came to that monastery and I don't know how it will be, but I found this place in Google. So finally now I came to see this place. Let's go. I hope it will be good and it will satisfy me and Google Maps, and thanks for Google Maps, it was helping me well. Now let's go inside. Oh, I think I wasted my time a lot while coming to here because here no one are there and even temple gates are closed. So how I can go inside and how I can see this temple? Just I wasted my time, I think so. Let's see. I will find anyone is there or not. If no one is there, I will go from here. Finally, I came inside of this temple. Actually, I thought here no one is there to give permission to go inside, but after some time I found some person and I asked him that I can go inside or not. He said he allowed me to go inside, and now finally I came inside and you can see here the architecture. This is a Buddhist temple, Buddhist religion temple. So here architecture will be like Chinese, and after this I'm going to Siddheshwaram temple. It is an Hindu temple.
Your bike. So there are restricted areas also. You cannot obtain your permit through this bike. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to hire either. It should be yellow plated.
Okay.
Okay. So for to see mountains वगैरह you have to go to Peling.
Peling.
Rabungla. There are few places I can write you and give you. So you are lonely rider.
Yeah.
It's called Namchi. Okay.
Yeah.
Namchi, there is Namchi, okay. So in Namchi there are Char Dham, Sai Mandir and Samdupcha Stupa.
Okay.
Samdupcha Stupa is well going to Gangtok Road, you can
Okay.
say. That leads to Rabungla also. That leads to West Sikkim.
Okay.
Peling is in West Sikkim, okay.
Okay.
So this is Namchi, okay.
Yeah, okay.
And in Rabungla.
From here to how much time it will take to go Peling?
I'll tell you.
Now I am on the way to Siddheshwaram temple, Namchi, and here I am so excited to see snow mountains and I want to touch the snow, but here my bad luck is here if I want to see any mountains means it's impossible. I asked some people here that where I can see snow mountains and where how I can touch those. They said if you want to see here then you can't, and just they said it's impossible. So if I want to see then I should travel to West Sikkim, which is impossible for me now. So now I will see some places in Namchi and I will go from here. And how to I will ask him that how I can go to Siddheshwaram temple, how to go straight and left. Okay bro, bye bye, thank you so much. And now I'm going to Siddheshwaram temple, Namchi. Finally I reached to Siddheshwaram. Welcome to Siddheshwaram. I don't know here I should take any tickets or not, but in safety I will ask some guards that I should take any tickets or not for going inside. Finally now I came inside of this temple. In this temple have one speciality. That speciality is here you can find all the type of designed temples in India. I mean in our India every side have different type of designs, right? So here you can find those all type of designs, west, east, north, south. You can find all the type of designed temples. So I like this temple. If you visit Namchi then you must visit this place. And this Siddheshwaram temple is one of the Punya Kshetra in India also. I saw many members from other state, they are visiting this place just for seeing, because they said this is a Punya Kshetra, one of the Punya Kshetra in India, and I found many South Indians here. Back of me, whatever temple is there, that is the Siddheshwaram temple, Namchi. So finally, whatever places is there in Namchi, I saw those all. Means not, I did not see all the places in Namchi because some places are temporarily closed. So I visited which place. I mean, whatever places I can visit now, I visited those places only. Remaining places, I don't know what will happen because I can't visit those, so I don't think about that places. So now I'm thinking to travel towards Assam, Guwahati. I don't know how much time it will take, but I'm just thinking. I'm not planned it. So after seeing some places in Namchi, still I mean, here some people are saying if I travel some other place, some other towns from Namchi, I can find some more beautiful places. So I'm thinking to go there. Ching chong! Even I mixed in this ching chong back Chinese yo yo. Just kidding. Actually, when I'm going out of from this Siddheshwaran temple, I found a guy that he is giving this Chinese dresses for rent for taking a picture. So just for fun, I taken this dress. I thought I'm looking good because I'm handsome guy. Somehow here I had some great memories, some fun. Now I'm going back to my room. Later I will decide where I should go and what I should do. Shit, I lost my bike key. I searched each and every place in temple and outside of the temple, but I did not find anywhere. I hope and I wish my bike key should be for my bike only. I don't know it's there or not, but I wish it will be. Yeah, it's there. It's temple, that's why it's there. If it's somewhere means I used to lost my bike. Now I came back to my room and I ordered Sikkim thali. I mean every state will have some different type of thali, right? So even Sikkim have some thali and I ordered that and I am going to taste this. I thought thali means it will be like rice or roti, but it's like noodles, soupy noodles, and it have some curry like black. They are saying it's a curry. Let's taste this. I thought I will like this. And now after having lunch, I'm going to see Ravangala. It's 32 kilometers far away from Namchi. I asked some people here that I can any places are there to see in Namchi or not. They said Ravangala is the best place to see. It's in Buddha Park. I mean Buddha Park is the one and only tourist site in Ravangala. Now I'm going to see there. And in Namchi is very very good place. If anyone want to live here, we can live here. It's a very peaceful area and people also so good. I like this place a lot. And now I'm going to see Ravangala. I don't know how it will be, but many people said that it is a very very good place. I hope it will be good and I'm going to enjoy there also. Let's go Ravangala. Oh shit, road was blocked. I don't know, something fell from top of the mountain or road construction was going on. I don't know what is happening here, but this crane is trying to clear the road from long back. Some vehicles are like me only, some vehicles are stuck here from long back. I don't know how much time it will take, but I want to go. I want to continue only. I don't want to go back from here. I will wait. How much time? I will wait here. I don't want to go back. And I think from here road will be like off-road only. I think so. I'm not confirmed yet. I wish road should be like good one, not like off-road, because my bike is not made for off-roads. Here you can see this road. It's look like little dangerous. I think here at one time only one vehicle can travel. I mean I'm talking about big vehicles. I think lorries like that means they at one time only one vehicle can travel. I think so. I'm not confirmed, because here people will be habituated for this road side, so they can manage. If from opposite side one more vehicle came means they can manage. But we can't do like that because we are not from this place and we are not experienced for these places. So whatever, leave about that. Now I think it's very near to me only because Google Maps showing it's just 10 kilometers from this place. I mean I'm talking about Ravangala. Ravangala is just 10 kilometers away from me. Finally, I reached to कौन सा city? रावंगला. अभी मैं रावलंगा आ गया. Welcome to Ravangala. Finally, I reached to Buddha Park, Ravangala. This is one of the tourist site in Ravangala, Sikkim. So finally, I came to see that place. I thought while coming to here, it's time waste, but it's looking very beautiful. Now I will park my bike somewhere and I will go inside to see this beautiful place.
ఫైనల్లీ ఐ రీచ్ టు రావంగ్లా. ఇప్పుడు నేనైతే ఇక్కడ టికెట్ తీసుకోవాలంట. టూరిస్ట్ జనరల్ పబ్లిక్ 50, ఫారిన్ టూరిస్ట్ 200, స్టూడెంట్ 10 రూపీస్ ఆన్ ప్రొడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ వ్యాలిడ్ ఐడి కార్డ్, స్టూడెంట్ ఐడి కార్డ్. మన దగ్గర లేదు కదా. ఓకే, లెట్స్ చెక్ ఇట్.
Now I'm in Buddha Park, Ravangala, Sikkim. Now finally I came to see this place. It's looking very beautiful. I don't know inside what is there. Let's go. We came to Ravangala for seeing this Buddha Park only, and in this Buddha Park, this Buddha is most attractive thing. So I don't know how it's look in video, but in real it was awesome. I love this place and I love this statue, and definitely you should visit this place. And I don't know inside what is there. So finally I came inside also. Inside nothing is there, just Buddha is in different type of colors. Actually I should not take a video here, but just for making you get clarity, I'm showing you this. Here attractive thing is from outside it will look good, but not from inside. I mean inside nothing is there to see more. So whatever we want to see, we should see from outside only.
నేనైతే ఫైనల్గా అయితే కనుక ఈ బుద్ధ పార్క్ వచ్చేసా. ఇదైతే మాత్రం ఎక్సలెంట్గా ఉంది. లోపల బుద్ధుడి గురించి అయ్యి మన గుళ్ళో ఏ విధంగా అయితే అదే మన గుళ్ళో ఏ విధంగా అయితే పెడతారో సేమ్ అదే విధంగా కూడా ఇక్కడ కూడా బుద్ధుడి గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం, బొమ్మలు గీయడం అనేది లోపల నుంచి బయట నుంచి అయితే మాత్రం చాలా బాగుంది. ఈ వ్యూ కానీ ఇది కానీ మీరు చూసినట్టయితే చాలా అంటే చాలా బాగుంది. ఫైనల్గా అయితే నేను ఎప్పుడు వచ్చాను, చాలా టైం అయిపోయింది వీడియోని చూసినట్లు. సో ఫైనల్లీ నో ఐఎమ్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ టు నచ్చి.
Finally, after spending some time in Buddha Park, finally I'm going back to my room, Namchi, Gangtok, Sikkim. I think this is the last day in Sikkim because tomorrow I'm starting my journey towards Assam, Guwahati, Assam state. So I'm going to miss this place. I wish and I think to start from here. Actually I think to start from here at early time only, before getting night. But after coming to here, I was so I fell in love with this Buddha Park. So I spent lots of time here, and now I'm going back to Namchi. Whatever, now I will try to go faster before getting dark night. Then I can be good. I don't like to travel at night time, so I will try to reach early morning. Earlier to my room. And now one more thing I want to share with you all, that now I'm completely happy. Before, when I visited Gangtok, Sikkim, I'm little disappointed because I thought I can't visit any place in Sikkim because actually I did not plan for visiting some other sites. I did not plan for visiting South Sikkim, West Sikkim, East Sikkim, like that. I only planned for visiting North Sikkim because in this complete state, North Sikkim is the most beautiful part. But because of heavy snowfall, they did not allow me to visit North Sikkim. So I don't know, at the time I don't know what to do, and I can't even leave the state without seeing anything. So I came to South Sikkim, and I thought here it will be like boring only, but it's not like that. I came to South Sikkim and I saw many awesome places. Those are really amazing, and I have many memories in Sikkim. I'm so happy, and now with these beautiful memories I can leave this state, and once again definitely I will visit this place because I have some beautiful memories. I'm so happy. And this road now, it was becoming so night. It's not more so late, it's like 5:30 to 6, between 7 to 6. So now I'm going back to my room, and here road also excellent. Just little part was little part construction was going on. It's okay, fine. We can use sports bike or adventure bike, any bike in this area, because in Sikkim you can drive all type of bikes. You don't need to worry because here roads, everything is fine. People are very nice persons. We don't need to scare about anyone. Here maximum people are good people only, and food also good. And here about food I want to say, here mostly you will find pork and beef everywhere. It's not that much bad. Even I tried many times, it's good. This is the first and last time in my life. Again I won't taste those, but I liked it. So Sikkim, I love you so much. I will never forget you, and definitely once again I will visit this place, and I will visit North Sikkim because because this is a more in Sikkim. North Sikkim is the most important. And did you see that right side of me, one biker was coming like racing with me from just now only he came. Now I will chase him because if we go like boring, I mean without having any fun, if we go on bike, it will be bad, no? So let's go with him like racing. Even I will have fun, and I can reach very fastly. It will be little bit fun. Let's go. And finally I reached to Namchi. Now I will go to my room and I will take some rest. If possible, I will take out my laptop and I will do some editing to upload on YouTube. If not, let's see. First I should have dinner, and later if I have energy, I will do editing, or else I will sleep and I will try to edit some other time when I am free, and when I have energy. I will take something to have, I mean like snacks, because every day me just
నేనైతే ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా హోటల్కి వెళ్ళిపోయి కొంచెంసేపు ల్యాప్టాప్ ఆన్ చేసి ఎడిటింగ్ ఏమైనా అవుతుందని చూసి ఇంకా పడుకుండిపోతా. ఈ రోజుకైతే ఇంకా బాగా